These are the only golf gloves you should be wearing. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have a couple of golf gloves in my hand here. They have some unique features, which means that these are the only gloves that you should be considering when you are golfing. Now, I want to quick show them to you. I know there are some other brands. I've ordered some other brands here that look pretty similar, but I want to show you the features of them because this one is Vision. Here it is unboxed. And the other one is a Spiderweb glove, and it's available on Amazon, and they have some similarities, which are important, but they also have some differences. So first of all, these gloves are a little bit different in that one of these, I think, is actually made from cabrata leather, this Vision one, because it actually smells like leather right back here. It's kind of in white, perforated, very sporty, and this one is not. It's some sort of synthetic, and actually what you can do here is wash these, as far as I know. So kind of reminds me of like a microfiber. From what I can tell, it seems to be holding up very, very well. But what's similar about these is on the reverse side here, on the palm side. And this one has a silicone webbing on it from the fingers to the palm to the thumb. And this one has little silicone dots, kind of a checkerboard pattern on the inside as well. And what I love about these, and what makes such a big difference with them, even though it's a small difference, is that you get much more grip, a much more secure feeling grip. So if I just open this up, I also like the fact that this has a little rubber tab there, so it's a little easier to grip and open up. You don't have to kind of dig your fingers in there to get it. And you can get them in different sizes, so I can tell you that I'm wearing a 24 right now. It seems to be about the right size. I can wear medium, large otherwise, the cadet size. So this is what it looks like. And what I love about this is that when you are gripping a golf grip here, you want to maintain really good contact. Now, I have never, in all my years of golfing, have ever had a golf club fly out of my hands accidentally. It's flown out of my hands sometimes on purpose out of frustration, but never accidentally. And one of the reasons is because I usually put a death grip on my golf. And one of the reasons is I usually put a death grip on my golf clubs. And I have always been told that you should have a very light grip on it, let the club do the work. But, you know, whatever reason, I just feel better putting a stronger grip on it. Now, I know that one of the reasons is I was using a grip that was too small. So I've gone to an oversized grip, and I really love that. And that's actually helped me lighten up the grip a little bit more. But what I will tell you is that having now played with a glove that has the silicone on the inside, it just feels that much better. I mean, it feels almost like it's glued to your hand. I kind of think of this like the gloves that receivers wear in the NFL, you know, catch that ball, it's really grippy. Even when I just do this, right, it almost feels unnatural, like you've got a piece of rubber or something in your hand. But what that does is it allows you to feel really good about taking a nice light grip on the golf club because it's not going to fly out of your hand. And so it actually helps me be even better. Now, this is a small thing, but the more relaxed you can be, the more natural, the less tense, you know, the less fatigued you're gonna feel, and the better shots you can get. So this small difference right there and right here, I think will actually improve your game. Now, I don't know by how much. It might mean a stroke around, but I tell you what, it's a simple thing that just might help you improve while you're golfing, and it's something that you probably haven't thought about because you're so used to these cabrata leather golf gloves that while they do give you more traction than just putting your hand on the grip itself, don't really give you optimal amounts of traction or lots of traction. So something like this can help you and may shave strokes off your game. So if you want to pick this up or this up, I'll put links to them in the description below. But if you're wearing a glove, don't even bother with the old school ones. Get something like this. Peter Von Panda, out. These are the only golf gloves